Thank God. You guys are late by 30 minutes. How pathetic.
Tests for the receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability normally noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter occurs where you are using a receiver in perfect working condition. The tone alert will be activated for selected watches and warnings affecting the following counties. In Indiana, Porter, LaPorte, St. Joseph, Elkhart,
That's not supposed to be a 6-hour event. It should be a 30-minute event.
Miami, Wabash, Huntington, Wells,
Seriously.
Adams, Grant, Blackford, Pulaski, and Jay. And in Ohio, Williams, Defiant, Henry, Paulding, and Van Wert. And in Michigan, Berrien, Cass, St. Joseph, Branch, and Hillsdale. For more information, see our website at www.weather.gov/IWX and click on NOAA Weather Radio under local information. We now return to normal programming.
Oh, whatever.
Now you
30 minutes late, everyone. 30 minutes late.